Vizio soundbar, how to pair subwoofer. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to pair subwoofer Vizio soundbar. If you are having trouble pairing, then here is a quick and easy guide to help you out. Make sure both your soundbar and subwoofer are plugged in and turned on. You can check if your soundbar is on by adjusting the volume. If the volume light appears, you're all set. For the subwoofer, look a light near the switch which could either be blinking or solid. Bring them closer together about a foot apart, facing each other. This is just to make the initial pairing easier. Once paired, they can communicate even from a distance. Next, make sure both devices are in pairing mode. The process can vary depending on the model, so check your manual or quick start guide for specific instructions by tapping here. Usually, subwoofers have a pairing or link button and soundbars can be set to pair mode using a command on the remote or by pressing a key on the soundbar itself. If you're still having trouble pairing, try unplugging both devices and then plugging them back in. Once they're powered up again, try to pair them again. If they still won't pair, you may need to reset them. You can find reset instructions in your soundbar's manual or quick start guide. So this is how you can pair soundbar woofer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.